I'm meteorologist Monica Woods, and we're checking out a warm atmospheric river storm that's going to come rolling through northern and central California into our Wednesday. You can see the big plume of moisture pulling in from the Pacific, and this is going to stretch all the way in through the central coast, bringing measurable precipitation. So our headlines include that weather impact alert. Timing when? Wednesday. The impact being rain, windy weather, as well as cooler conditions. So need to plan for those changes. It has been so unseasonably warm here recently, but now we're really going to shift gears with a slight chance of thunderstorms as well, especially north of I-80 and slightly into the Tahoe basin as well. This really starts to ramp up into our Wednesday, with the biggest band of precipitation actually hitting right about the morning commute, especially for the capital region, and then quickly moving off to the east. Now, initially, we're going to see our snow line right about the pass level along 80 and 50, 88 and 89. But as that warmer sector of the storm really starts to make its impact, those snow levels actually go up during the day to almost 9,000 feet. So we're not going to see a ton of accumulated snow. Anything that we pick up during the morning is quickly going to melt with some of the warmer part of the storm coming on through. That tends to give us higher precipitation totals when we have those warmer storms. This will roll out of here by Wednesday evening, and we're right back to the dry weather with some showers kind of hanging in along the California-Oregon border in through our Thursday, but the rest of at least most of California is starting to dry out. Our future rain totals look like about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch from about Sacramento through the northern San Joaquin Valley. Now, in the northern part of the valley, about 1+ inch of rainfall, and we'll see that in the foothills as well. Checking out those temperatures, as I mentioned, we're going to start off with some cool weather and then kind of get warmer during the middle part of the day. That's going to drive up those snow levels for Truckee and South Lake Tahoe. We're in the mid to upper 40s for the afternoon, with 50s down low throughout the foothills. As we move our way southward through the central Sierra, highs are going to be in the mid 50s for Yosemite. So even some of those higher peaks still going to be a mix of rain and snow with this warm atmospheric river storm. For the valley, we're going to cool those conditions though into the 60s. Lots of cloud cover and just kind of a showery day for us, especially during the afternoon, with the biggest bulk of precipitation coming earlier in the day. Central coast highs are going to warm into the 60s. We've got the morning rain, afternoon showers. Inland areas are right about 70 to 75 degrees for the afternoon. Bay Area forecast, we're in the lower 60s. As we head inland, we're still in the low to mid 60s as well. That's going to take us below average. We're close to 60 along the northwest coast. North end of the valley, only in the upper 50s for afternoon highs for the northern Sacramento Valley. And for the capital region, highs are going to be in the lower 60s. This is a solid 10-degree drop from where we've been earlier in the week. A look at our 5-day regional forecast. As you can see, the showery weather certainly is going to stand out here for our Wednesday. And then things start to dry out, warm up just in time for the weekend. Another great weekend for us here as we head into the second one of November. Looking at that extended forecast, we've got our weather impact alert in place for our Wednesday with that rain coming in, highs in the low 60s. You can see how things start to warm up and dry out. The highs will be in the low to mid 70s, actually above average for the upcoming weekend. And heading into Veterans Day also is going to be a dry one. Then it's very possible we head right back into an active weather period by the middle of next week.